Welcome guys, so today I am with the XIAOMI Black Shark 5 and I'm going to show you a few camera tricks. So let's open the camera application, and as you can see we will start from the photo mode. And when we are here we can use few nice options. The first one will be the brightness adjustment. So you can just tap on the screen, and when this icon of the sun shows, take a look, you can manipulate the brightness level. You can decrease or increase, and you can also make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. And this also works in the modes like portrait, for example, or the video. That's very simple. Okay, another tip will be about the zoom feature. So as you can see, you can click on this preset. So you can go between 1x or 2x, but you can also click and hold on the already selected preset, and you will find a few additional like 4x or 5x. And by the way, the 5x, that's actually the maximum zoom in this smartphone. Another tip will be about this shutter. So when you click and hold it, you can go and record short video. You can also find the volume buttons in this place. When you click on the volume up, that's 2 seconds delay of the shutter. With the volume down, it works the same. When you go in this place, you will find different filters. Take a look on the preview how they change color and the temperature. If you want to take photo with this one, just select, click on the shutter, and there it is. We can also pick the normal look. Right now we can simply go for the settings, where we can add delay to our shutter between 3 seconds, 5 or even 10 seconds. Just like that. When you go to the settings, we can find other useful options. For example, we can change this volume button function. So currently it was set up to the zoom shutter, to the shutter countdown, but you can switch to the zoom, for example. There's also the triggers that you can enable right here. You probably know it. Right now we can use these buttons and we can set them up. So for example, the master trigger up we can set to zoom in, and master trigger down to the zoom out. And the volume button we can use as a normal shutter, for example. So take a look how it works right now. With this one we will be zoom in, and with this one we will zoom out. That's really nice, actually, really good use of the triggers. And with the volume buttons we can just treat them like a shutter. Okay, I'm gonna disable both triggers. We can open the settings for another time because it's not enough. We will find other options right here. So as you can see, we can switch this press and hold shutter button function. We can take the bird shot, for example, and the option that it's very useful, it's tap to take photo. So right now when I click on the screen, the photo will be taken. We can also open the more modes, where we'll find very funny and useful the vlog mode. And this mode allows us to take short videos with different angles, different sound. I'm gonna show you how it works. So for example, we can get maybe this memories or holidays. Yeah, we can try this one. So just take a look. You have to select, then click in this place. Of course, you have to hold your phone in the landscape mode like that, and take a look. Okay, then you have to click right here and take a look how great this video looks. Of course, you can choose any other filter. Only 4 of them are available as default. The other you have to download, like for example this one. It's called Cool, so we can get it. Yeah, I just downloaded it, and right now let's test it. So for example, yeah, we get only the one preview, this one in front of me. So we're gonna test it right here. Okay, let's check it out how it looks. Honestly, this one looks really nice. And yeah, for me, that's even the reason to buy the Xiaomi phone. Really, I really enjoy this kind of the short video. Like for example, you can find it on the stories on the Instagram, on the Reels. That's very cool. And they got me with this mode. That's really nice. And yeah, I think that's all for the Xiaomi Black Shark 5 Pro. That's all camera tricks that I want to show you. Of course, you'll probably find a few others, but that's the most interesting for me. So if you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.